This video will be on using the Elsa and Anna panel in Electric Quilt. Let me start by showing you how I worked with the Elsa and Anna panel. So I'm going to go to my Image tab, so Work Table, Work on Image, and I'm going to import an image, and I'm going to see if I can find that. Here it is, Elsa and Anna pile. Okay, notice that it came in at 5 by 6, so pretty small. And when I actually measured my panel, it is approximately 28 by 34, and that is inside all of the borders. So I know I need to first of all crop it to get rid of the borders. So I will select the crop button down there and then just bring it in to the point that I exclude the borders. And then I will click on the green check mark, which will crop the image. Okay, now I need to resize. Now, one of the things I found when I originally went to try to do the resize, I knew I wanted it to be 28 inches across. And I'm just going to show you, when I put the 28 in, it actually maxed out at 18. And I think maybe because of the pixels or whatever, but I'm just going to first of all go ahead and select 10 by 12, and I've got maintain aspect ratio clicked. I'll click on OK, and I will add this to the sketchbook. And now I will do another resize, and I will change it to 28 across. And it's changed to 28 by 35. That's okay. That's a little bit taller, but it will be fine for what I'm doing here. So I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to add it to the sketchbook, but I'm also going to add to sketchbook as fabric. Okay, now I can go back to my work table and I want to work on the quilt. And I'm going to change my layout to one by one, and I'm going to change the size to 28, and then I'll tab over 34. And now when I go to layer 1 and I go to color the block and use the paintbrush, and I'm just going to go over to the very last item on here and click on, and my Elsa and Anna panel has showed up. And so I'm going to now add this to the sketchbook. Now the next thing I want to do is actually delete all my other fabrics. So I'm going to go to the sketchbook, and I'm going to the Fabrics tab, and I'm going to just do clear. And I'm going to basically delete only the unused fabrics, and since I've only used one fabric, I'm down to 1. Stay tuned for part 2, which will describe finding coordinating fabrics to use with my panel. This is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. Thanks so much for watching.